I'll show you the exact Reddit verified fixes that thousands of people said worked. Let's unlock your sites. First fix DNS. This is number one solution on Reddit. Just press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type here ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Right click on your Wi-Fi and select properties and select this IPv4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. Alternative DNS type 1001. This is Cloudflare DNS. You can also use Google's DNS 88888844. Then click on OK and close. Just restart the Chrome. If that didn't work, next SafeSearch can block normal websites by mistake. So check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Check the SafeSearch option and just select off. And then just open up new tab and check if the problem solved or not. Extension like ad blockers, antivirus add-ons, or parental controls may be blocking sites. To check that, check my video description for the second text. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Disable extensions one by one and test the sites. Or you can also disable all the extensions and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then now clear the Chrome's cache, cookies and site data. This removes corrupted rules that cause blocking. Check my video description for this that text. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Select here more and select all time. Make sure everything's checked in this list and select delete from this device option. The last text, you just need to check my video description. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Then reset the site permissions for the website you are trying to open. Just type the website name and select the trash icon and select delete the cookies. And now check if the problem is solved or not. If it's still blocked, then flash Windows DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it using Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+V. After finishing all these commands, just close off here and restart your PC and try again. If that didn't work, antivirus programs like Avast, Kaspersky or Bitdefender often block websites silently. Open the antivirus program you use and if you see Web Shield or URL filtering, just turn off the web protection temporarily and refresh the page. This fixed lots of people problem. If nothing works, then reset the Chrome. This removes hidden settings and profile errors that block websites. To do this, you just need to select the three dot icon and go to settings. On left side, select reset settings and select restore settings to their original defaults and select the reset option. And that's it. These are the most reliable fixes voted by real users on Reddit. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.